Avada versus Betheme, which WordPress theme is best. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, we're delving into a comparison between two of the most popular multi-purpose WordPress themes, which is Avada and Betheme. And we will compare Avada and Betheme in terms of their features comparison, pricing and value, ease of setup, design and customization, performance, and at the end of the video, I'll help you choose which one is best for you. So make sure to watch till the end because I've created a presentation that will help you easily make an informed decision to choose the correct option. And to create an account on Avada and Betheme, you could also use my affiliate links in the description below where I earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Avada, it is a versatile and powerful WordPress theme that offers a range of features for building and customizing websites. It is known for its flexibility and ease of use, making it a popular choice for both beginners and experienced web developers. While on the other hand, Betheme is a popular WordPress theme that offers a range of features for building and customizing websites. It is known for its flexibility and ease of use, making it a popular choice for both beginners and experienced web developers as well. And now that we know the overview of both platforms, we can now proceed by knowing other details about Avada and Betheme. So let's start by knowing the features comparison of both WordPress themes. And as you can see on this table in terms of pre-built demos, Betheme offers 600 plus pre-built demos covering various niches, while Avada provides 60 plus pre-built demos with diverse designs. And in terms of customization, Betheme offers advanced theme options panel for easy customization, while Avada offers Fusion Builder for flexible and detailed customization. And for page builders, Betheme is compatible with WP Bakery Page Builder and Elementor, while Avada includes Fusion Builder as the primary page builder. And in terms of responsiveness or responsive, Betheme is fully responsive design for all demos, while Avada is also offer fully responsive layouts for mobile optimization. And in terms of updates, Betheme offer regularly updated with new features and improvements, while Avada receives frequent updates with bug fixes and features. Now moving on in terms of pricing and value, as you can see on this table, in terms of pricing plan, Betheme offer $59 for regular license with lifetime updates, and $2,950 for an extended license with lifetime updates, while Avada offers $60 for regular license with 6 months of support and $2,950 for an extended license with 12 months of support. Now in terms of updates and support, Betheme offers lifetime updates and 6 months of support included, while Avada offers 6 months of support included with option to extend. Now in terms of customization, Betheme offers extensive theme options panel for easy customization, while Avada offers Fusion Builder for flexible and detailed customization. Now moving on in terms of ease of setup, as you can see on this table in terms of installation, Betheme offers simple installation process with one-click demo import, while Avada offers straightforward installation with demo import options. And also in terms of setup wizard, Betheme includes a setup wizard for easy configuration, while Avada offers a setup wizard for guided setup process. And in terms of customization, Betheme offers easy-to-use theme options panel for customization, while Avada offers intuitive Fusion Builder for detailed customization. While for support, Betheme offers extensive documentation and customer support, and Avada offers documentation forums and support ticket systems. While for updates, Betheme offers regular updates with new features and improvements, same as on Avada. Now moving on, in terms of page building capabilities, as you can see on this table, the page builder of Betheme is compatible with WP Bakery Page Builder and Elementor, and also includes Muffin Builder for additional flexibility, while Avada includes Fusion Builder as the primary page builder and integrates with popular page builders like Elementor. And in terms of pre-built elements, Betheme offers a wide range of pre-built elements and modules, while Avada provides a rich library of pre-built elements and modules as well. Now in terms of customization, Betheme allows for detailed customization using various builders, while Avada offers extensive customization options with Fusion Builder. And for compatibility, Betheme works seamlessly with third-party plugins and extensions, while Avada is compatible with various plugins and extensions for added functionality. Now moving on in terms of design and customization, as you can see on this table, in terms of design options, Betheme offers each demo includes multiple templates and layouts, while Avada each memo includes multiple page templates and layouts. And for visual effects, Betheme offers or supports various visual effects and animation options, while Avada provides option for animation and special effects. And in terms of color schemes, Betheme offers a wide range of color schemes and options for customization, while Avada allows for extensive color customization and schemes. And now in terms of image galleries, Betheme offers multiple galleries style and layout for showcasing images, while Avada provides various gallery options for image presentation. And now moving on, in terms of performance comparison, as you can see on this table, in terms of speed, Betheme optimized for speed with lightweight coding, while Avada focuses on performance optimization for efficiency. Now in terms of page loading, Betheme offers fast loading times for optimized user experience, while Avada prioritizes efficient page loading for improved performance. Now in terms of code efficiency, Betheme offers clean and efficient coding for faster rendering, while Avada emphasizes streamlined code for enhanced performance. And now in terms of resource usage, Betheme utilizes resources efficiently for optimal performance, while Avada strives for minimal resource usage to maintain efficiency. Now in terms of compatibility, Betheme is compatible with caching plugins for enhanced performance, while Avada works well with various optimization plugins and tools. But the question is, who should choose Betheme? Well, Betheme is a choice for those users looking for a vast selection of pre-built demos covering various industries, and also those who prefer a straightforward setup process with a wide range of customization options, and for those individuals seeking a theme with strong performance optimization and efficient coding, and also those who value extensive documentation and active community support forums. But what about Avada? Who should choose Avada? Well, Avada is a choice for users who prioritize a comprehensive theme with diverse design and layouts, and those who prefer a flexible and intuitive page building experience with Fusion Builder, and for individuals seeking seamless integration with popular plugins like WooCommerce, and those who appreciate detailed documentation, video tutorials, and timely support ticket assistance. And now, in conclusion, choosing between Script Avada and Betheme ultimately depends on individual preferences and project requirements. Avada offers a comprehensive and diverse range of designs, coupled with the flexibility of Fusion Builder, making it suitable for users seeking extensive customization options and seamless integration with popular plugins like WooCommerce. While on the other hand, Betheme stands out with its vast selection of pre-built demos covering various industries, a straightforward setup process, and strong performance optimization, making it ideal choice for users prioritizing efficiency in a wide range of design options. And both teams excel in their own right, catering to diverse needs of website creators. So that is just basically the comparison review between Avada and Betheme. Thank you.